If you are searching for Mediterranean diet breakfast ideas, look no further. Start your mornings with these fiber-rich and nutritious recipes. The Mediterranean diet focuses on ingredients like whole grains and fresh fruits and vegetables, which are easily incorporated into breakfast recipes. Whether you are in the mood for quick, cozy oatmeal or satisfying frittatas stuffed with veggies, you will find them here. 1. Greek yogurt with honey, nuts, and berries. This classic Mediterranean breakfast is a delicious combination of flavors and textures. Rich, creamy Greek yogurt provides an excellent source of protein and probiotics, while honey and nuts offer natural sweetness and crunch. Ingredients: 1 cup full-fat Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon raw honey, a handful of walnuts or almonds, fresh berries, blueberries, raspberries, or strawberries. Start by spooning Greek yogurt into a bowl. Drizzle with raw honey and top with a mix of fresh berries. Add a handful of walnuts or almonds for added protein and healthy fats. This breakfast is not only delicious, but also packed with antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, and fiber, making it an excellent option for heart health and sustained energy. 2. Avocado and tomato on whole grain toast. Avocado toast is popular worldwide, but when prepared with a Mediterranean twist, it becomes a nutritional powerhouse. Using extra virgin olive oil, ripe tomatoes, and whole grain bread makes this simple dish both satisfying and heart-healthy. Ingredients: 1 slice whole grain bread, 1 pour 2 ripe avocado, 1 to 2 ripe tomatoes sliced, extra virgin olive oil, sea salt and pepper to taste. Toast a slice of whole grain bread. Mash the avocado and spread it on the toast. Top with sliced tomatoes, drizzle with olive oil, and season with salt and pepper. This breakfast is rich in fiber, healthy fats, and vitamins, especially vitamin C and potassium, promoting cardiovascular health and maintaining good blood pressure levels. 3. Oatmeal with figs, almonds, and chia seeds. Oatmeal is a versatile and nutrient-dense breakfast option. For a Mediterranean flair, it can be enhanced with fresh figs, almonds, and chia seeds. This fiber-packed meal is ideal for digestive health and keeping you full throughout the morning. Ingredients: 1 to 2 cup rolled oats, 1 cup water or almond milk, fresh figs sliced, a handful of almonds, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, honey, optional. Cook the oats in water or almond milk as per the package instructions. Once cooked, top the oatmeal with sliced figs, almonds, and chia seeds. Drizzle with honey for added sweetness if desired. This breakfast is full of fiber, healthy fats, and plant-based protein, supporting digestive health and promoting stable energy levels. 4. Mediterranean veggie omelette. Eggs are a staple of Mediterranean breakfasts and provide a great source of protein. A Mediterranean omelette packed with fresh vegetables and herbs like spinach, tomatoes, and feta cheese is a satisfying and nutrient-dense choice. Ingredients: 2 large eggs, a handful of spinach, 1-2 tomato diced, 2 tablespoons feta cheese, fresh herbs, parsley, basil, or oregano, extra virgin olive oil for cooking. Heat olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Whisk the eggs and pour them into the pan. Add the spinach, tomatoes, and feta cheese to one side of the omelette. Fold the omelette in half and cook until the eggs are fully set. This veggie-packed breakfast is full of antioxidants, protein, and healthy fats, which help with muscle repair and support long-lasting energy. 5. Whole grain pita with hummus and cucumber. For a quick and savory breakfast, whole grain pita bread paired with hummus and fresh cucumber slices makes an ideal Mediterranean-inspired option. Hummus, made from chickpeas, provides plant-based protein and fiber, while cucumbers add a refreshing crunch. Ingredients: 1 whole grain pita bread, 2 to 3 tablespoons hummus, 1 to 2 cucumber, sliced, olive oil for drizzling, a sprinkle of sesame seeds, optional. Slice the pita bread in half and spread hummus inside. Add fresh cucumber slices and drizzle with olive oil. For extra flavor, sprinkle sesame seeds on top. This light but filling breakfast offers a great balance of carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats, keeping you energized without feeling weighed down. 6. Chia seed pudding with almonds and fruit. Chia seed pudding is a perfect make-ahead breakfast that fits seamlessly into the Mediterranean diet. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and fiber, chia seeds are an excellent way to fuel your day. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons chia seeds, 1 cup almond milk, fresh fruits like berries or mango, a handful of almonds, 1 teaspoon honey or maple syrup. Mix chia seeds and almond milk in a bowl. Let it sit in the refrigerator overnight to thicken. In the morning, top with fresh fruits, almonds, and a drizzle of honey or maple syrup. This breakfast is nutrient-dense, easy to prepare, and provides long-lasting energy thanks to its high fiber and protein content. 7. Smoked salmon and cream cheese on whole-grain bagel. For a more indulgent Mediterranean breakfast, try smoked salmon on a whole-grain bagel with cream cheese. This combination provides a healthy dose of omega-3 fatty acids, important for heart and brain health, along with whole grains for energy. Ingredients: 1 whole-grain bagel, 2 tablespoons cream cheese, 2-3 slices smoked salmon, fresh dill and capers for garnish. Toast the bagel and spread cream cheese on each half. Top with smoked salmon and garnish with dill and capers. This protein-packed meal combines healthy fats, lean protein, and complex carbohydrates, making it a filling and nutritious start to the day. If you like this content and find it useful, please give us a like, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel. We would also love to hear your thoughts in the comments section below.